Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, you're right.
What's up, Blackie?
Get it already.
Yeah, I turned it on.
Not like that.
All right, come on, guys. Get your notebooks out. Get your notebooks out. Notebooks out. All right, guys. You guys need your notebooks out. We're gonna be labeling these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bodies of water that are in these big circles here on the map.
That's too much work. You're right.
It's really not. It's literally not. All right. Let's see. What?
I got to go give me a notebook.
You've got to get a notebook?
Thanks, big fella.
Do you guys have pencils?
Nope.
Oh my gosh. Yes, there, yeah.
Necessary to like draw the map thing or like just like.
So just like make like a rough sketch, and so like just like outline South America into Latin America. Isaiah, open up your notebook. Let's go. Hey Caitlin, where's your notebook?
I already got it memorized.
You should take it out because it's for your opener and that's part of your grade. What? I don't have a pencil. You should be prepared for class. Mr. Malik's out of pencils because no one ever brings him back.
You could have gave me a pack of rice.
You're making her come to you?
Yeah.
Be a gentleman.
Thank you.
No, you should be a gentleman. Meet her at least halfway.
How you gonna give me an unsharpened pencil?
Hey, Mr. Malik, you want to hand me that sharpener? So I trust this a little more. Yes, Dariana.
Okay, but just like this. I want to draw it like that.
What?
So like that's just how I drew it.
Okay. And if you're gonna call me big fella, at least call me Mr. Big Fella. Or you know, you can read my name badge which says Mr. Stewart.
Mr. Big Fella, I'll do it for you.
That's the Gulf of Mexico.
I know that one of the dolphins.
Good God. All right, hey, let's go over some of these. So what's that big bubble to the left of South America?
The Pacific.
What, I heard it? Anyone want to say a little bit louder?
The Pacific.
The Pacific Ocean. Awesome possum. There we go. All right, and then what's the one that's farthest south here? The one that's like right on the tip between Chile and Argentina. It's a tough one. Brant. The Southern Ocean, right here. It's a new one. They just decided that that was an ocean like in the past like 10 years. All right, let's try another one up here. How about this farthest one up here at the top? I'm having trouble reaching it. Caitlin. The Gulf of Mexico. right? Because it's right by Mexico. It's all Gulfy. All right, and then how about this one right here, Martha? The Caribbean Sea. I almost said ocean. Goodness gracious. Get it together. All right, and then this last one here. I only have the bubble here, but it goes all the way over here. But Eric. The Atlantic Ocean. Does everyone have this copied down?
I'm working on it.
There you go. All right, so everyone finished getting copied this down. So our lesson objective for today, we're going to be doing a review for the quiz we have tomorrow over South America. And so, I know, collective groans. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pass out a review sheet, and I'm going to have Google Slides attached to it, and then here's going to work on some of the vocab that we've already done, and then we're going to have a Google form to tie up the day. Okay, so I'm passing out these review sheets. Let's see, one. Go. Here, Jasmine. Does everyone have one? Nice catch. All right, so I want you guys to do me a favor. On this map side, just write your name and the period on top. Let's go. Hey, write your name in the period. Let's go. Write your name. This is first period. Name in the period at the top. Do you have the clicker for me, Mr. Malik? Thank you. Do they have a laser pointer? Tell me this has a laser pointer. All right, everyone should have their name and first period on the top with the map side, right? And so on this other side, if you look here, we have fill in the blank stuff. So I'm gonna be going over some Google Slides, some notes, and then you guys are gonna fill in the blanks as we go along. We're gonna see if you guys actually know some of the blanks before we hit them though, just to see how ready you guys are for the quiz. Tomorrow, South America. All right, let's see if this is on. Oh, I should probably turn it on. That'd probably help. Do I have to hit connect?
Try it. See,
Hey, there we go. All right, so everyone should have a pencil out, and we're going to go through this. All right, so the first one here, the interior of Brazil is dominated by the Amazon River system. It's the longest river system in the Western Hemisphere. For the longest time, people weren't even sure where the river started, and a lot of people died trying to explore it. Okay. Right, and so it leads into the Amazon rainforest. It's the largest rainforest, and what percentage of Brazil does it take up? Looking for a number. Giovanni.
40%.
A little more. Brant. A little less. Go. It takes up, well, Brant's also technically correct. I'm not sure the exact percentage, but in our book it says over 50% of the country is taken up by the Amazon rainforest. On a side note, in recent years, actually, Brazil has been giving more incentives for people to move inland. That's why their capital, Brasilia, is just like in the middle of the rainforest. They chopped it up. All right, let's see, over 50% of Brazil. And yes, it has suffered from deforestation, because Brazil has been giving incentives to build cities there, but also to ranch and make farms. We see a lot of like chopping and burning. All right, our next section is on the mountains. I'll let you guys catch up here for a second. All right, so onto the mountains. The blank are the longest range of mountains in the world, stretching from Colombia to the southern port of Chile. What mountain range is the one that dominates South America? Anyone? Olivia, do you know? Do you want to phone a friend? Phone a friend? You want to ask someone to help you out? Actually, huge mountain range. Huge. Largest mountain range in the world. What, Lexi? No, it's okay. The what? I heard it. The Andes, also known as the Mints. Yeah. Right. So, like, a good way for you to remember it is, like, Andes mints give your mouth like that, like, fresh minty feeling, and then you get a sense of fresh air being in such high mountains. Something for you guys to try. Does anyone know the name of the tallest mountain in this mountain range? It's actually the tallest mountain outside of the Himalayas. Tallest mountain, South America.
What's the Himalaya?
It's like where like Mount Everest is. It's like a mountain range.
What that is?
It's a big mountain. How's that sound? All right, anyone know the biggest mountain in South America? It sounds kind of like a snake. It's called Aconcagua, or I just like to think of it as anaconda, but just because big. It's located in Argentina. It's right on the border with it in Chile. Hey Zoe, are you still having trouble seeing? Do you want to try moving to this desk right here? Thank you, Giovanni. You just want to put it off like in your bag or something, just so it's not a distraction. Oh, did everyone get it? Gucci. All right, so we're just going to talk about a few countries here. So Brazil is the largest country and the most populated in South America. If you guys remember with like the Olympics and the World Cup that was going on, they were trying really hard to like clean it up and to like storm the favelas and like make a lot of more space, make it a little more safe for everybody else. See. Then Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in South America. That was one of our openers a couple days ago. They were going to do this on their own, correct? Yeah. All right. Something that's been in the news lately, Colombia is the world's leading producer in cocaine. I know we always think about Colombia with drug cartels. You guys see Narcos on Netflix. They've also been in a civil war since the 1960s. They almost came to a ceasefire earlier last month. So we're going to talk a little bit about history here. So the major Mesoamerican civilization that we talk about in South America is the Inca. They were later conquered by the Spanish. You guys have seen like the Emperor's New Groove. They kind of take some Inca vibes out of that and they make it their own. Right, and so the Spanish, when they conquered with their conquistadors, that's just what they called their soldiers that came over, they intermingled with the native population, making mestizos, right? So that's half European ancestry and then half like Native American. Okay, so we already talked about the Spanish controlling a lot of Latin in South America. What was another country that played a pretty big impact? It's the language they speak in Brazil. Keelan looks like he saw a ghost. Do you know what language they speak in Brazil, Keelan? Martha, what's the language do they speak? Portuguese, right? And so this wasn't exactly in our notes, but the Treaty of Tordesillas split South America between Spain and Portugal. All you guys need to remember is that Spain and Portugal played a really big impact in South America. All right, and the last one was something that we also mentioned in our opener yesterday. The guy who's the George Washington of South America. The country of Bolivia is named after him. Does anyone remember his name?
Boulevard.
What was his first name? Simon Bolivar. Though in Spanish I couldn't get it when I typed it out. There's an accent on the O, and so it's pronounced. I love talking in the Spanish accent. Simón Bolívar. Simón. Sorry. It's fun. That's the fun part about doing this stuff. All right, so when you guys are done filling out all these fill in the blanks, I want you guys to use the word box here at the bottom and fill in the blanks here for the vocab words. They're gonna use the books? Oh, you're right. So when you guys are done with that, yeah, grab a book, use the book to help fill in the word box. And then, yeah. And then once you guys are finished with that, we'll have a Google form set up in Google Classroom as a review sheet. It'll be based on taking a road trip through South America. There's some really cool pictures on there. But first, vocab at the bottom, use your books, and then Google Classroom. Sound good?
A lot of those are already in their notebooks.
Yeah. You guys don't necessarily have to use your books because a lot of these vocab words should already be in your notebooks anyway. Let's go. Isaiah, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Hey, go grab a book.
I'm tired.
What? Hey, go grab a book. You already have the road trip on Google Classroom and everything. Cool. Sorry, Martha. You doing okay, Caitlin? What's wrong?
I don't feel good. I don't feel good.
Okay. You want to try grabbing a book or looking at your notebook to try to get these done? Okay?
Done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, take out your Chromebook. There's going to be a review in Google Classroom to do. They're doing okay?
So yeah, I just want to make sure you have about 15 minutes.
Okay.
I need to get to the.
Yeah.
Make sure you want it.
Go. Mercedes, don't forget that this is a double L on Lanos.
I didn't know it.
What? That's an L. It's Lanos. But also, Lanos is the one that's further north. What's the one that's in Argentina? There you go. See? You're smart. Gotta get on that honor roll. Mom, did you finish? Casey? Oh. What was it? Do you remember we talked about just flip these around?
Oh.
Right, because that's the Pampas in the south, the Llanos in the north. Yep, sorry, Giovanni. Keelan, did you finish? Casey? Nice. Lexi, how you doing? Good. Let's see. Do you need a book? Do you have all these in your notes? Okay. Hey, Sam. Switch these around.
You sure?
Yeah. They're both grasslands, but yeah. One's in Venezuela and Colombia, the other one's in Argentina. All right, good job, Caitlin. Yes, Zoe.
I'm asking her to do this.
Okay, so do you know where this bridge is? So it's a big city on the west coast of the United States. Do you know where Boston is?
Yeah.
Where's Boston? All right, so Boston's on like the East Coast, Honolulu's in Hawaii. Phoenix doesn't have a harbor, so it's San Francisco. Oh, nice, way to go. Let's go. Actually, what's this tab right here?
That's just the game
That's a
tab
game.
that I had in my other class.
Did they say in the announcements today that we shouldn't have games open otherwise, or?
It's played. So we're not using this.
Right, so what you should be doing, all right. Everything that you should be using is this right here. Hey everybody, so for the Google form, you guys that need to use your books, you should be getting everything that you need off of this map on the front of the review sheet. Right? So if you have your books, you guys can just put them away.
Well, they might still need to use their book.
Oh wait, you're right.
Just hold on to your book, you guys. You might still need to look at it for some of the stuff.
You're right, that's my bad.
So just stay opened up to page 181.
Let's see. Jasmine, where's your Chromebook? Kara, what are you doing?
My Chromebook is dead.
Okay, you want to try grabbing an extra one from the back of the class?
Day of the day.
What's going on? Do you know what city that is? It's the Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah, there you go. San Fran. Perfect. So, is that where you stuck? Yeah. Okay, hey, what's the question? Alright, so what's like maybe you could try looking up like what Machu Picchu is. Right, trying to find what country it is.
Where is this stuff at?
Okay, hey guys, right in here. All right, let's do some process of elimination. What are the 4 answers that you could have?
I don't know.
What? See, for number 1. Number 1.
I'm a skip. I know.
No, go back to number 1.
I know what it is.
What is it?
San Francisco.
Perfect.
Okay. Now I don't know this one.
Okay. Where's Machu Picchu?
Not to what one?
I'm just keep typing my name and deleting it.
Hey Mercedes, ask Maya what the answer to number 1 is.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh my gosh. You can't do this all class. The first one's San Francisco. Maya, try looking up what Machu Picchu is on Google.
How you spell Machu Picchu?
It's on the question.
Oh.
Get off YouTube.
What?
Get off YouTube.
What?
What's this tab right here?
What is
What's this tab right here?
Oh, it's another whole tab.
No, go up to it.
Hey. And that wasn't YouTube. That's weird. And I was on
South America road trip. Just cross it out.
Hey.
Yeah, Maya. Okay, let's see.
See what the capital of it is?
Yes, but see, that's on the map though.
It's Cutcho. Whatever this is. On the map. It's cause
The what?
This thing you make it.
Okay, no. So you're going to be at 20 degrees south by 70 degrees west. Where's 20 degrees south? What? Scroll back up. What country were you in?
What?
First stop is the capital of blank. What country was that?
what Machu Picchu is?
You just had it. You said the capital was Cusco.
Okay.
That's one of them. They have some things there, but the real capital is Lima.
What is Lima? Oh, that.
What country is that?
Still find it.
Okay. So, where's 20 degrees south by 7 degrees west?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, where's 20 degrees south?
Right
Where's
here.
70 degrees west?
Right here. No, right here.
Okay, but now see,
Okay.
it says the number. It's the line, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Right
so
here.
where does 70 degrees west meet 20 degrees south?
Right here.
Okay, what country is that?
This one.
That's Bolivia. No, see, like there's a country that goes all the way here.
What is it? Bolivia?
What?
I'm on number 3.
Wait, ain't this this? Okay.
Right here.
This.
Right.
Yeah. What country does that touch? Let's see. The border of Bolivia ends right here. So why would it be touching Bolivia? It's touching Chile. Yes, Dariana.
I thought that was the largest mountain, but it's not even it's not even on there. Wait, wouldn't it be Chile, since if you have to stay in the water, that's the only way you could go?
Yes.
It'd be that.
Yes.
But that's not what it says
Here,
on
wait.
paper.
Here, wait. You find the tallest mountain.
Oh wait, oh my
Oh,
God.
you travel around Cape Horn.
Which is right here. Right, like if you stay in the water, you go this way, so it says go south.
Okay. So Cape Horn is right here. So you're going around.
Oh, around.
Okay. And so, where did we talk about where the tallest mountain was? It's on the other side, isn't it?
It's in Argentina.
Right.
So it's Argentina. But this is that. That's not the tallest mountain. That's not what it's called.
What's the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires.
But it says where you find the tallest.
It's the country where you're gonna find the tallest mountain.
Name the tallest mountain.
Right. What's the name of the tallest mountain? Aconcagua. Did you finish, Alita? You want to try again? Actually, you can try again. What'd you mess up on?
Number 2, I said Colombia, and I meant Peru.
That's sad. Either way. So maybe that's something that you should know that you can study for tomorrow. Yes, Zoe. Let's see. So you're gonna go. Oh wait, I'm gonna scoot around to this other side here. Okay, so it's 1 degree south. Where's 1 degree south? And where's it meet like 52 degrees west?
1 degree is
South. South. Okay, right. So south is. This is north. This is south. East, west. And so, if you're going 0 degrees to 52, you're gonna be like right here. Okay, and so you're not in Venezuela. The Panama Canal is up here. Where else could you be? Think water. Mr.
I don't get it.
San Francisco. It's the biggest bay in the west coast of the United States. Yeah, man. That's where Steph Curry hangs out, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. All right. So we have about